Welcome to Click-Through West. This is the Processing Manager Processor Training. Some companies call this position the negotiator, and they are actually one and the same within the click-through system. When you first log into the system, you're brought to the home screen. You have quick access to any tasks that you need to create. You also have quick access to your own personal production here, as well as any new submissions that could be coming from compliance or from your Salesforce. In addition, here will be quick access to collecting info status, which is a status used in the system for any pending stipulations that you may have requested from your actual clients, and an overall processing overview that allows you to gain quick insight on what's going on with your actual processors and at what stage their particular files are currently at. Let's go quickly to the actual task menu. When creating a new task, you'll be able to schedule a date and a time, as well as assign it to an individual. You'll also be able to leave the notes, please call Mrs. Jones after lunch, by simply hitting the add button. When you need to edit an actual lead, you can click the edit button, and it allows you to change the actual time to, or change the actual message based on your own preferences. By hitting complete, it means that you've already completed this actual task, and you can hit OK, and the simple task simply goes away. You have the ability to export tasks here and view your 20 most recently completed tasks when you actually enter the system, if it's actually tied to a specific client. Next, we're going to go to the Client tab. In the actual Client tab, you'll be able to have an advanced search to drill down on a specific lead. You also look at all the files that are currently in your pipeline or in your processing team's pipeline. You have quick access to these binoculars that give you access to any notes that have actually been done on the file and who it's been done by. You'll also be able to view the call history if your system's integrated, your telephony is integrated with our system, as well as email history if you're using email within our system itself. You can also add a note by simply typing in the note here for a quick access to the note. That simply adds the actual task here, and you'll be able to close it. And now the actual note has been added, and it will be viewable by all users across our system. Please disregard this setup button here for processing managers and processors. This setup button is really designed to route your files, but there is another way to actually route the files within the actual system. So for the time being, please disregard this button. Let's go ahead and hit home next. When actually under new submissions here, you'll be able to assign any lead to yourself as a processing manager or assign it to any other users once a new submission appears here. So please, again, avoid the setup button up top. Make sure that you understand that these leads right here, the new submission leads, will simply sit there until it's claimed by you or assigned by the processing manager. The lead will actually sit, or the file will actually sit at the new submission stage. Here's quick access to your current pipeline, your team's pipeline, and any new submissions. Your recently worked files will appear here. Here's your technical support button. If you need technical support, you can log out here. In the search menu, you'll be able to search by name, app number, social security number, or telephone number, or anything that is unique to that specific file or client.